Hi everyone, we are from Nyoya Business. Let us start our business proposal. We have divided into 7 parts that we will introduce to you one by one, which is about us, our teams, goals and objectives, values, project timeline, statistic, concepts, and how does it work, real-life data and strategies that we will introduce afterwards. Biofuel program is highly inclusive of various SDG type, including but not limited to SDG 12, which pertains to responsible consumptions and productions. Wastage is a significant global issue that is currently more prevalent than ever before. During the pandemic, many people have found it difficult to access sufficient food as it has become scarce. The awareness of people is increasing. Our goal is to create significant change and provide alternative solutions to communities in order to reduce waste and potentially generate revenue. This will help us to address the problem at hand. Firstly, allow me to introduce my team before delving into the program's explanations. Hello everyone, we are a group from undergraduate students who are excited to share our innovative idea with you. Our goal is to contribute to the protections of our planet and maintain a high standard of living. We hope to explore new solutions and provide valuable insights to address the challenges we face today. As a team, we have dedicated tasks and work together to accomplish them. Hello everyone, my name is Zhishan and I am the director for this project. This is Kevin, our product designer. Joseph and Keller are currently serving as our sales manager and marketing manager respectively. Our HR is Jingyu and she is responsible for the human resources department. It has come to our attention that food waste in Malaysia has become a serious issue. Our goal is to optimize resources utilizations in order to create a high-quality services of product that can address the scarcity of resources we may face in the future. Our objective includes supporting the growth of bioenergy sectors, contributing to environmental sustainability, and creating economic opportunities. Biofuel is an alternative to fossil fuels. In addition, it will aid in the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. In addition, it has the potential to enhance employment prospects and facilitate the expansions of bioenergy industry. This can lead to a creation of jobs in waste management, biofuel productions, and other related industries. Biofuel production has the potential to enhance energy security and decrease the energy expenses, thereby decreasing the dependence on imported fossil fuels. Our proposal aligns with our core value of accountability, sustainability, and environmental justice. Our commitment to preserve the environment for future generations aligns with the concept of sustainability, which involves viewing food refuse as a valuable resource rather than a mere byproduct. Furthermore, we will ensure accountability by proactively seeking creative solutions to address the environmental harm resulting from unregulated food waste. Furthermore, the initiative will align with our environmental justice objective of creating healthier environments for all by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Equitable distributions of environmental benefit among all individuals is enabled by this. In addition, it holds a valuable benefit. According to research, food waste is the third highest cause of greenhouse gas emissions. 931 million tons of food are wasted annually, according to the UNEP Food Waste Index report for 2021. According to a report by UNEP, Malaysia discards more than 8.3 million tons of grain every year. The environmental consequences of this action should be taken into consideration. Food waste decompositions lead to the emissions of methane, a common greenhouse gas that significantly contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. Diverting food scraps to biofuel productions can significantly reduce these emissions. One potential solution is to utilize waste derived byproducts to create environmentally friendly biofuels instead of simply discarding waste as byproduct. According to our estimations, it may take up to 10 years to perform an idea into concept and eventually bring it to a fruitful throughout a proposal. To successfully establish a business in the country, we must undertake several crucial steps. This includes conducting a thorough investigation of the country's policies, obtaining patents and copyrights, identifying reliable suppliers, experimenting with energy production process and technologies, negotiating contracts with the government and local logistic providers, and navigating the procedures for obtaining business operation permits and establishing infrastructure. This project is a long-term and high risk and value. However, it is important to note that higher risk often correlates with higher returns in the future. This project is attractive for the following reasons. The investigations reveals that a staggering 1.3 billion tons of food is being wasted annually, resulting in a significant economic loss of nearly $940 billion worldwide. Do you know that as much as 10% of world greenhouse emissions are caused by food that is produced but never consumed? According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, the global consumption of oil was estimated to be 92.2 million barrels per day. Coal and natural gas, being non-renewable resources, are projected to have a slightly longer lifespan compared to oil. According to the current projections, the continued usage of fossil fuel at the present rate will result in the depletion of coal and natural gas reserves by the year of 2060 unless an additional reserves are discovered. Our program is based on the concept of 4 types of biofuel. Firstly, I would like to present anaerobic digestions, which produce biomethane as an alternative to natural gas. In the production of biomethane, the raw materials utilized are livestock manure, straws, and kitchen waste, which includes food waste, recycling plastic and glass waste. The process of methane productions by anaerobic digestion primarily comprises four stages: hydrolysis, acid productions, acetic acid productions, and lactic productions. In addition, bioethanol is a type of liquid biofuel that is produced through microbial fermentations. Bioethanol will be produced using raw materials such as straw, wood chips, peanut shells, and corns. The process involves the use of cerevisiae to carry out enzymatic digestions, fermentations, and internal productions in order to penetrate the raw material. In addition, there are two types of biomass fermentation technologies: dark and photo fermentations. Biohydrogen is a valuable energy source that can help to address the challenges of limited resources and promote the use of environmentally friendly technology. The ingredients used in the productions of it includes kitchen waste with water, sugar, starch, and cellulose. In conclusion, hydrothermal liquefaction, hydrothermal gasification, and hydrothermal carbonization technologies are viable options for producing bio-oil or biochar from biomass. These products are easily transportable. The raw material used in their productions includes edible vegetable oil, non-edible vegetable oil, animal oil, waste edible oil, coffee residue, peanut shells, brewer's grains, grape pomace, sugar cane peels, straw, and wood chips. We will discuss the classifications of biofuel preparations from raw food waste. Specifically, we will focus on the 5 categories: proteins, fats, starch, sugars, and cellulose. Carbohydrate-rich waste has the potential to be transformed into biofuels. This fuel has the ability to be refined into high-performance advanced biofuel due to its low sulfur contents. During the process, approximately 60% of water is released, which can be purified and reused in production cycles. There are several technologies available to convert materials into bioresources, including anaerobic digestion, enzymatic digestion, and hydrothermal carbonization. According to the research finding, Malaysia currently has 22 biodiesel facilities with a combined production capacity of 2,762,000 tonnes per year. As of now, there exists 19 functional plants that have the capability to manufacture a combined merely 900,000 tonnes per year. Over the last 2 decades, there have been a steady growth in global biofuel productions. Specifically, there has been a rise from 187,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day in 2000 to 1.75 million barrels of oil equivalent per day in 2021. In 2021, the United States is the top global producer of biofuel, accounting for around 41% of the world's total biofuel productions, as per research findings. According to a report by landfill operator SW Corp Malaysia generated 7,007 tons of food waste per day in 2021. The potential of biofuel program lies in its ability to aid in the mitigation of food waste. Our business have 4 strategies. Our market positions in center on local government and local logistics. Our approach in the market is to maintain a realistic perspective on our capabilities. Our missions should not be compromised by taking on too much. In the short term, it will be most effective to take small steps as we have the best understanding of our local market. Our company will focus on collecting waste from restaurants and households as they generate the largest amount of food waste. This will provide a steady supply of waste and be a significant contributor to the market for companies that choose to use our services. In addition, our main objective is to concentrate our endeavors on the domestic market like never before. This will involve implementing awareness campaign and creating blog posts on our website to introduce Malaysians to the idea of recycling waste and minimize food waste consumption, which is mostly prevalent in Western countries. Our group comprises a diverse range of individuals who possess innate talents in areas such as marketing and sales. Our intention is to collaborate and cooperate with one another to achieve the best possible outcome in terms of work quality. As a smaller team, the likelihood of communication breakdown between different departments and campaigns is reduced. This concludes our presentation on the upcoming service that we will be realizing. We are pleased to have made an effort towards contributing to SDG 12. We are welcome.